Hi everyone, welcome to Creative Chelsey. A couple days ago I received my April Paper Pumpkin kit, Sentimental Rose, and I thought it'd be fun to make a quick card together. Okay, now we're going to make the box that all the cards and envelopes go in, so you can give it away. So we've got the acetate box, and it is covered in some plastic to protect it so it doesn't get scratched. Just take that off. And we're going to build it. So just pretty easy, normal box shape. Okay. Okay, so we're done assembling our box. Now let's do our stamping. We've got the 4U stamp. Makes a great tag for our box. Alright, we're just going to wrap this around our box. And then there's the adhesive. Just remove it, place it. That's so nice that that just comes so easy to put together. These I'm going to pop up using dimensionals and either the glue dots or snail. So let's do the dimensionals on the flower first. Oh, you know what? We gotta do the twine. So because I used some extra twine on those cards, the congratulation cards, I didn't have enough to wrap it around a couple times. So I just have enough to do it one time. So let's tie a knot, and then we'll string on our For You. Nice big hole, easy to put through. Let's tie another knot. There's not enough. I did not evenly put that on. Okay. Okay, so we've tied our bow, got our tag. Now we'll apply our flower. And then these I'm going to do with some snail. Press hard on those so they don't come off. There we go. So now all I have to do is insert my cards. My thank you cards, my happy birthday cards, my congratulation cards, and their envelopes. And I will have a great Mother's Day gift for my mom, or a special woman in my life, grandmother, friend. Perfect little gift. Don't forget that next month's Paper Pumpkin Kit is a special kit inspired by Shelley Gardner. If you don't have your own subscription, make sure to subscribe before May 10th, and I'll leave a link in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Visit creativechelsey.com for more information about Paper Pumpkin and to start getting your monthly kit. Have a creative day. Bye.